It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is built to last because you don't build a legacy on chance. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Ecotec 3 engine, electronic shift on the fly, tow haul mode, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, trailer hitch receiver, shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.